Hi, today we are going to see one topic from Oracle, that is how to create a new user. We can create the new user by using the statement create user statement. Here we need to connect it to the system user first, because system user contains all privileges. If you connect it to the other user, we cannot create the user from the other user. So we need to connect it to the super user, that is the system. From system we can create the users. First we will see that syntax of how to create the user. Here we are going to give username and then identified by the password. Okay, that is here I am going to give the admin as the password. Okay, I am going to create the user named Kalyan, that is my name, and there are optional syntaxes also available, that is default table space users and default temporary table space, that is temp, and we need to get the list of the table spaces. As it is a learning environment, there is no issue in it, we can create the table as you like, but in a real-time environment we need to give the default table space, otherwise it will be created in the system table space. I will show how to get the list of table spaces. We need to query the select table space name, and better use a distinct, otherwise it will show all the table space for all the tables. So I am going to use distinct table space name from all tables. Okay. Here it shows the list of table space, and we are going to create it in the user table space, where we are going to create the user defined tables. First I am going to use the syntax create username, then identified by password admin, and then the optional syntax, that is the default table space users and temporary table space temp. Users and temporary table space temp, like that we can create it. See, and user Kalyan created. Okay, but here what is the issue is, now we have created the user, but this user doesn't contain any privileges, so we cannot connect it, we cannot create the table, we cannot do anything. So we need to give some privileges to this user Kalyan. Okay, to make schema useful, it must be minimally granted the create session system privilege. Grant create session to Kalyan. Okay, and then we can give grant create table to Kalyan. Okay, but here this is the learning environment. Okay, this is a learning environment, so we can give whatever be the privileges to this particular user. So I am going to give grant DBA resource connect to Kalyan. Okay, I am going to give grant DBA connect resource to Kalyan. Now it will become like admin user. Okay, grant succeed. Now we can create the connection and we can check it. Understand? Connection name we can give something like this. I am going to give my name itself, then username, then password I have given admin, then save password, and you need to configure all these things based on your environment. Then you can test it. See success. and then we can connect it. Now it is the empty schema, so that we can create whatever be the objects we can create. Okay, this is the way you need to create the user and connect it to the user. And there is one more thing, and the new schema will also have some quota privileges, so that we can alter the user by using the alter use Kalyan, and we can increase the quota unlimited on user, so that we can create more number of objects. Okay, we can use this alter use Kalyan to change the quota. That means the quota privilege is allocated to the particular user. Okay. Now you can connect to this. We have already connected it. Now we can start using this user. Okay, this is the way you need to create the user in the Oracle. Thanks. Bye.